How to change the ringtone for Messenger. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to change the ringtone for Messenger. It's a simple and quick process. So let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Once it's open, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to bring up the menu. Look for the gear icon and tap on it to access the Messenger settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it and then select Ringtone. You will see a list of different ringtones. Take your time to scroll through the options and find one you like. You can tap on any ringtone to play a preview. Once you find the perfect ringtone, simply tap on it. This will automatically save it as your Messenger notification tone and there are no extra steps needed. To finish, exit the settings menu by tapping back or using the home button. Your new ringtone is now set. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.